Yeah. All right, last one.
A man who was kicked off a United Airlines flight for wearing a red thong on his face instead of a face mask compared himself to civil rights pioneer Rosa Parks.
Oh, boy.
Oh, jeez. Now, I hope he didn't go there. Was that his plan all along? Or
Yeah. He was making a statement.
it wasn't a last minute? Adam Jenny, 38, was seen in videos wearing a red thong on his face in place of a regular face covering. United Airlines removed him from his flight, citing non-compliance with the federal mask mandate. He told local news outlets that he wore the thong to challenge the federal mask mandate. Everything else that has sparked change in this country has started from everyday people, he said before comparing himself to civil rights pioneer Rosa Parks. Oh, man, yeah. Oh, there's a video of it?
Yeah, there's a video.
Man. And this is them asking him to get off? Oh, that's a quick clip. Oh, here we go.
No, that's...
That's different than this? Yeah, it's not specified in the thing. We go by what's allowed on the airplane. I'll pass it on to the captain. You walked all the way back here without a mask over here?
It seems...
You're going to have to come off the airplane. They're not going to let you travel.
What?
Non-mask compliance.
So I can't fly because this doesn't work? Correct.
He's wearing a red thong. A bright red thong.
I'm here to ask you a question. Did he just get kicked off for wearing a mask?
It's between bites and sips, sir. You have to put your mask on.
Did he just get kicked off
Sir,
for
I don't know
wearing a
what's
mask?
going on, but I'm asking you. It has to be in between bites and sips. That's the federal law, okay?
Sip. Now I'm biting.
Now
biting.
now put it back on. Now put your
Did
mask
he
on.
just get kicked off for
Sir,
wearing
I
that
don't
mask?
know what's
I'm out of
going
here.
on.
Forget it. I'm out of here.
Wow. That's not the follow-up I expected.
Yeah.
Another
He couldn't take it anymore.
Another patron. It was another guy on the flight
He was defending the thong wearer.
that saw the thong thing happen and saw him get kicked off, and then he shows up with no mask on. He sounded like he had a mask, but then he took a sip of his drink and he was arguing the idea that who cares because I'm sipping the drink, my mask is off half the time anyway.
Yeah.
That's what he's saying. And then he goes, I'm out of here, and leaves the flight.
That he paid for.
So it was some kind of solidarity move with Thong Man. Wow.
I hope that becomes his name.
I guess it worked kind of in the sense that people are paying attention to it. They're looking at it now, but
Is it still this divided?
Well,
The
I
whole
think
mask thing?
I mean, I can't tell if it's a joke or if it's for real. There could be other ways to, like the thong aspect makes it seem funny.
Yeah.
If it was a real protest, I would think he could have had something else on it. Like maybe a mask, but then it said something different, or maybe no mask at all.
Yeah.
And saying I refuse to wear a mask for this reason and that reason. But there seems to be a slight sense of humor with the whole thong element. But maybe it's the thong element that got the news story, which got people talking about it.
Oh, yeah, definitely. The fact that it's bright red.
It's quite a look to it. I think a mask works better than a thong in most cases.
Yeah, I think so too.
In most cases.
I think so too.
Although that thong looks to have pretty decent coverage.
Yeah.
The nose and mouth looks to be pretty decently covered.
It seems a bit loose though.
Is that the problem? Yeah.
In the
the chin area there. Yeah. Because it is funny thing with the face coverings. The variety of face coverings that people use. Some people got the medical mask, some people got the N95, and then some people just have like a rag. and then some people would have like a mesh. Did you see those people trying the mesh one out? They're like, nah, it's
really?
a face. Yeah, type it in. Type mesh face mask or something. Yeah, like that one on the left on Amazon. No, yeah, that one. That's hilarious too, because you can say it's a face covering.
Yeah.
But it's just mesh, so it's obviously not. What is the point of those, by the way? Outside of saying that you're wearing a mask, what is the point of those?
I guess it's just like a term.
No, do they have some kind of actual functionality? A straight up mesh like that one says 2G tactical strike force. Is that protecting you from something?
It's a muzzle.
I don't know. Oh, airsoft. Oh, that's an airsoft mask. Okay, I got to the bottom. At least that one, the non fancy looking one.
Is that Russell Peters?
Well, could be. Could be, but that mask looks pretty normal. Anyway, I don't know.
Yeah, that one's normal.
You have the mask.
This one is not.
You have a mask mandate, but what is a mask? What constitutes a mask? What is acceptable? What is not? And mask talk, 2021. 2021 still going strong for
a few more days.
Yeah. And then 2022 happens, and it's a whole new world in the metaverse.
Yeah.
Or the Matrix or something.
Yeah.
No masks necessary. In fact, you got a whole bubble for yourself. Never mind a mask.
Safe zone.
Never mind a mask. You got to take a whole bubble. Can you wear a thong on your face in the metaverse?
Absolutely.
You're allowed to, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No problems there. You see? See how that works?